Oh, interesting. Look at that. So now I have a forward-facing camera. We're going over to neighbor Jack's with some hinges. Open the gate. Neighbor Jack is a retired machinist. I'm gonna have him turn down these pins. You out here, Jack?
Hey.
What's going on?
Yeah.
I'm gonna videotape. I'm gonna put you on YouTube.
Oh yeah?
It's not quite there, you know, like we were talking about.
Yeah.
What do you think? 5 thousandths? 10? So I'm gonna drill
How much welding you doing?
a good bit. That's the thing. So these are. We're gonna show the camera while we talk. This is a 2.5 quarter wall. So that's a 2-inch inside diameter. And these are 2-inch pins, but they don't quite fit. And I am gonna weld 2x2 square tube quarter wall to this. So it is gonna warp some. What I'm also gonna do is drill. I'm gonna drill and tap this for a Zerk fitting, so that it could grease.
Yeah.
And then what I think I want to do is basically encapsulate this with some like 1/4-inch plate, and then that'll. I don't know if I want to drill the 1/4-inch plate out to sit like under it, and maybe I drill and tap this and put a bolt and a washer in them.
Yeah.
To keep them.
That sounds good.
Secured.
That's what I would do.
From moving, and then then this will sleeve over it, right? So this will be the same, but I'm going to cut it undersize, so this will go through the plate, and this will sit inside the plate. So a 1/2 inch it will get cut off of this if it's quarter plate or more, and so it'll sit inside the plates, and then I could have my pins drop through for pin closed or pin open, and I'll have 2 of these Mama Jammas. So this thing's gonna be stout.
Yeah. Yeah. That sounds good. That'll hold it. All right. What I'm going to do here is drill. Put a center in this. Okay. What I do here is take 15 off of it.
Show him what you did there. So he's got 2 separate tools. That's a what's that one? This is a micrometer.
Yep. This is a micrometer. I'm checking the diameter of it.
What's that one called?
This is called a telescope gauge. And I've checked the inside with this gauge so I know how big to make it. So now I'm going to see what I got. I'm going to check this to see what I have.
What do you got on the inside?
This,
on the telescoping gauge.
This is 5 thousandths. What I've got on the inside is 10 thousandths under 2 inches.
And this is 2 inches, and you're turning it down. Oh, and we're going 15 undersize.
So right now.
No, we're still trying to go 5 thousandths under.
Yeah.
So if you take 15 off, that's the 10 minus the 5 clearance.
I think we're probably going to be all right there if it's loose enough.
Yeah, we might have to remachine after welding.
Okay for you?
Oh yeah.
I wouldn't want it any tighter than that.
No, especially after some welding, we might have to take even
Yeah.
a little bit more, but there's gonna be some stout hinges. What have you been working on?
Wiring up that trailer jack.
Oh, right.
Good enough?
That's good enough. Don't you wish you had a neighbor like Jack? There, he's just centering it, yeah.
Something called the luck of the tap.
The luck of the tap. So even though you would think that it would center it up being in there, it doesn't. It'll get a wobble to it, and so he is tapping the wobble out. And he's gonna drill his center. What is this called?
This is a center drill.
Center drill. Gotcha.
What else you need?
We could go ahead and then drill and tap these for, what is it, 1/8 inch NPT? And that would, basically takes care of all of it. And then, all I need to do is, well, really, I don't even need to shorten these. And I guess I don't need to, bore a hole in the plate either. The plate could mount like this, and I could just drill a hole in the plate and drill this out to accept a bolt. And then we don't have to go with a washer larger than this. It would be the plate. The plate would work.
You need these pieces shorter than the pin,
I don't know if I would or not, if I'm putting a plate on them.
but I mean it'll bind up if there something's not got to have some clearance there someplace.
I guess that's true. Yeah. Yeah, well then, dang, I feel like they're a little bit taller right now. So that wouldn't work, because then it would, when I clamp those down. So really, these need to be drilled and tapped then for whatever bolt size we're running. These need to be shortened.
And you got to drill this halfway through because you're going to put a grease fitting in it. Oh no, not
No, on the outside
on the
here.
outside. Yeah.
So if
Okay.
all I got to do is drill and
Okay.
1/8.
So how deep do you want these? And what size? These are really pretty square, but this look better.
They'll probably slide or pivot better, not eat up the. plate that it's pivoting on.
Drill needs an inch and a quarter deep.
Inch and oh, to leave room for the end of the tap.
Yeah.
These are not bottoming taps. And bottoming taps, this edge is not tapered. It's square, so it'll tap all the way down to the very bottom.
These taps push the threads forward. That's why you got to have a little bit more room. Some taps you got to go in and out, in and out.
Okay.
That's why I leave plenty of room in the bottom.
I see. Oh, all the for all the
Yeah.
material that you're taking out to go to. Dang, there's one. Oh, you're gonna face those off? So, facing, this would be the face, and it's cut pretty square, meaning the cut doesn't go wonky, or it's not wavy, but when he machines it, it'll be perfectly. I guess the proper term would be turning, not machining, when he turns it. Yeah.
15 on each end. Wow. We have the other one.
Yeah, this is 5'9", 53 and a half. 5'9". So those were 5'9", 70. So then we would want 5'9", 40 would be 30 thousandths under. So I need another 10, 23 and a half off this one.
What are these?
It said 30 thousandths under 6.
This one here is shorter. $20 shorter. And you can take 20 off of that one.
What you got?
10 more. Which one did I say was short?
That one.
This one is short?
Yep, I'm holding on to the long one, the one that needs to be cut down.
What did I say, 10
20.
20?
Well, this one's the one that needs to be cut down.
Oh, that's the one.
That's the short one.
Oh, okay, that's what it is.
Is that the short one?
Mm-hmm. This one here's the one we used to
Good thing we checked.
Yeah. You think?
Oh yeah. Well, it's definitely protruding. That's all that matters. So hopefully it'll be half that, and that should
Oh yeah, it's close.
have grease, riding on it.
You better keep it greased.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, let's see that sucker get wet, he'll never get it apart.
Just like that, you built a set of hinges.
Now, do you want to put a hole in here?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay, we've marked out the center on our piece of pipe here. Now we're going to find the center. See the way the scale is tilted? You ready?
Yep.
See it getting better?
Yeah, it went better. Got better for sure. I go around it the other way. Getting hung up on.
Look pretty good.
Yeah.
That's the center.
Learn something new every day. Oh, look at that. I was wondering if you were going to slow it down or...
I don't have reverse on that.
Oh, shit.
What?
Is that thicker than a quarter? So I got more than a 1/4 inch of threads?
I don't think it's going to come through. It didn't come through.
Okay. I just realized I didn't take a good after video. So this is the hinge. Ooh. No grease. Both sides are tapped. I'm going to build a cage for it that's going to go over, down, and under, and then it'll bolt in place. That way this will be removable and serviceable if you need to replace it or whatever. And yeah, to be continued. Now you get to see what I use them on next.